The Xbox Series X and Xbox Series S have a lot in common, but which is best for you? It's been more than 2 years since the Xbox Series X and Xbox Series S came out. Generally speaking, they're exactly what Microsoft promised they would be. The Series X is a pricey powerhouse, delivering top-of-the-line performance in a black boxy chassis. The Series S, on the other hand, is more limited in scope, although its compact size and cheaper price are definite points in its favor. Xbox Series X versus Xbox Series S. Price. The Xbox Series S price is one of only a few categories in which it definitely beats the Xbox Series X. Simply put, the Xbox Series S costs $300, whereas the Series X costs $500. Prices vary from country to country, but the differential is similar. You can make plenty of arguments about how the Xbox Series X does more to earn its price, or how price and value aren't the same thing, or how the Xbox Series S might not be as useful in the long term. But for right now, the Series S is $200 cheaper than the flagship Xbox, and that might make a big difference, depending on your budget and your current entertainment setup. Xbox Series X versus Xbox Series S. Performance. Whereas the Xbox Series S has a clear price advantage, the Xbox Series X has a clear hardware advantage. While the two systems have the same CPU, they have different storage and RAM capacities. There's also a significant difference in the two consoles' GPUs. Xbox Series X comes with custom Zen 2 8-core, 3.8 GHz processor. Xbox Series S also comes with same processor. Series X has AMD RDNA 2 12 teraflops, 1.8 GHz GPU, and Series S has AMD RDNA 2 4 teraflops, 1.6 GHz GPU. Series X comes with 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of internal storage, whereas Series S comes with 10 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage. In our tests, the Xbox Series X performed better than the Xbox Series S across the board. Not surprising, considering the Series X's hardware. The Xbox Series X supports ray tracing on a huge variety of games, while the Series S has much more limited ray tracing support. The Series X also has much better draw distance in optimized games. Qualitatively speaking, the Xbox Series S looks good and plays well, even on 4K displays. If you have a 1080p TV or 1440p monitor and plan to keep using it for a few more years, the Series S is an easy sell. But if you have a high-end TV, save your pennies for the Series X. It's worth the upgrade price. Before we continue to our next part of the video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for amazing latest technology information. Setup and load times. When you boot up the Xbox Series X or Series S for the first time, it should become apparent right away how much things have changed. Previously, first-time setup for a console generally involved a lot of laborious manual entry of account names and passwords via an on-screen keyboard, followed by navigating settings drop-downs with a controller. Now you can handle most of the process via your Android phone or iPhone and the newest version of the Xbox app. Your phone can then communicate via Wi-Fi Direct with the new consoles and even restore settings, preferences, and game files from your existing console and cloud storage. Based on multiple instances of first-time setup with the Series X and Series S, the process takes just a few minutes, start to finish. Graphics. The Xbox Series X and Series S are more graphically powerful than previous consoles in a variety of ways. In most titles, you can expect higher resolutions, higher frame rates, and more detailed characters and environments compared to the same games on Xbox One or PlayStation 4, all with better image quality. Effects should also be more pronounced and sophisticated, as graphics hardware in these consoles can pull off greater amounts of fancy tricks like smoke and fog that have physical properties and lighting that creates shadows and reflections more like you'd find in the real world. Games. This list only includes games with dedicated Xbox Series X and S enhancements. Xbox One backward-compatible games are no longer eligible. Whether you're diving into an all-new adventure, getting the most out of your gaming TV with 4K 120Hz gameplay, or revisiting an old favorite through backwards compatibility on Xbox, these are the IGN staff's picks for the 15 best Xbox Series X and S games. These are the games you can play on both Series X and Series S: Outer Wilds, Ori and the Will of the Wisps, Halo, the Master Chief Collection, Mass Effect Legendary Edition, Hitman 3: Sea of Thieves, Gears 5, Marvel's Guardians of the Galaxy, Microsoft Flight Simulator, It Takes Two, Tunic, Psychonauts 2, Halo Infinite, Elden Ring. The Xbox Series X is a lot more powerful than the Series S. It utilizes its specs to significantly reduce load times and boost overall game performance and visual fidelity, while features such as Quick Resume, Smart Delivery, and backward compatibility give it the edge. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and let us know your thoughts in the comments on Xbox Series X and Xbox Series S. Subscribe our channel for more technology-related videos. Goodbye.